Now that we created our campaign, let's talk about tracking codes. To create a tracking code, you click
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Add tracking code, and it's going to ask you for existing tracking code. If you don't have it, let me explain to you what this is all about. The premise of this is that, let's say you promote your product on YouTube. You make people go to your Amazon link. And let's say people are clicking on your YouTube link and they're visiting Amazon. Most of them, of course, don't buy. So you want to run retargeting ads. These are ads that follow people around across the web. So next time they go to Facebook, if you have a Facebook pixel, or if you have a pixel in any other advertising network, this is just basically a code that they give you when you set up your account in their advertising network. Then you can add here, and then what this will enable you to do, everyone who clicks on your YouTube promotion link, which takes them to Amazon, so they never touch Facebook, or they never maybe touch Google ads or anything like that, but still you will be able to retarget people on the platform of choice. And you see, if you click here, type of code, and there's a pull down, and these are all the places you can retarget people. So Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Google ads and Facebook ads. So as soon as you set this up, you'll be able to run retargeting ads, which are typically some of the most highly converting and cheapest ads, because those ads target people who already know about you. They're not cold leads, they're warm leads. They're more likely to convert. So these are actually high priority people, and this will enable you to retarget them on any platform you want. So the ultimate effect can be, let's say somebody clicks on your promotion link on YouTube. Then if they go to Instagram, they see the ad for your Amazon product. If they go to LinkedIn, they see the ad for your Amazon product. If they go to Twitter, they see an ad for your Amazon product. If they go to Google search, they see an ad. You get the idea. Everywhere they go on the web, that same person who already visited your page and maybe didn't buy, they're going to get bombarded and reminded, and maybe they will buy then.